Did you know? Our everyday activities have subjective scientific explanations under them. One of those is communicating, a way of sending messages from one to another. There are two types, of which either one is listening while the other is speaking, or cases where both are speakers and listeners. We call this process an oral communication. That oral communication have three various models. I bet some of you are still uninformed about these topics I will soon discuss. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Joelyn Acevedo Baran. Please do watch, listen carefully, and learn. Linear Model of Communication. Linear Model of Communication was first presented in year 1949 by Shannon and Weaver for Bell Laboratories. It is a communication in which message is taking place in a straight path from sender to recipient. In this model, the message is created by the sender, encoded for the proper channel of delivery, and then distributed to the target audience. A television or radio broadcast is an example of linear model of communication. Interactive model of communication. Interactive model of communication is an adapted linear model. However, an addition of feedback from the receiver is a special difference from the previous model. Participants in the interaction model of communication rotate between the roles of sender and receiver to create meaning by communicating and receiving feedback in both physical and psychological situations. Other examples of interactive communication models include social media, interactive marketing, user-generated content, ATMs, online commerce, and chat rooms. Transactional model of communication. The transactional model explains how transactions can be used in message flows to achieve certain goals and outcomes. The following components make up a message flow: an input source. Examples of transactional model are a face-to-face meeting, a phone call, or an interactive chat session where all participants participate by exchanging ideas and opinions. Oral communication is the subject of learning, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. For as long as we communicate, everyone understands the matter. Verbally or not, thoughts are to be considered by everybody.